Yo, what up, y'all? It's Phil James coming back to you yet again from Central Ohio. We are getting hammered here in Central Ohio here recently. It's been a geoengineering mess here in and around Central Ohio, just so you guys know and are aware. Like, watching these massive storm front shelf clouds roll into my city. If you look closely, you can see these things just literally sitting there spinning, and it's so gnarly. Like, I mean it. I've never really seen funnel clouds too close or anything. And then yesterday or 2 days ago, we had this very same thing happen where these massive amounts, like massive length of shelf cloud just comes rolling in, and the whole front of this shelf cloud was just rotating. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It was the most insane looking storm front though that I've legitimately ever seen in my entire life. And yeah, just because this does look so effing gnarly, I just wanted to go ahead and record it just to show you guys like what I've been dealing with here in the Central Ohio region. So as you can see over here, it's getting poured on right there. Hold on, let's get through these trees and I'll go back over there and show you the massive amounts of rain and what looks like could possibly be hail, because I do believe this storm is very capable of producing hail. God only knows, though, how big we're talking. I mean, look at this. Yeah, this is all I'm saying. Here in Central Ohio, we've been having quite the storms. And they've been pretty insane. And I already talk about weather as is and a lot, so always got to make sure I keep people posted, Somebody threw some awesome burners on this train. Absurd. Oh man, true. Oh man. Yeah, there are some awesome burners on this train. Oh, here we go. Full car. Almost full car. Oh, and that's a crew piece. How sick. Tails. Ooh. Ooh, another crew piece. Multiple crew pieces. Sorry guys, graffiti artist. Oh, senior. Oh. Oh, that was a good train, guys. That was a really, really good train. If you guys don't like trains, there's something wrong with you, because literally, in my opinion, trains are like moving canvases, moving art shows. You know what I mean? It's a moving art gallery. So, yeah, gotta love graffiti. But alright, y'all. Phil James, I'm out. I just wanted to show the storm. Peace.